this video we are going to be analysing Beyond Meat, ticker BYND. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key support levels? And we can quickly note, going onto the longer term time frame, these are the stronger levels. We don't actually have many support levels to go off. All we have is around a 375 support. Obviously very far from where we are now and probably not all that likely to hit. So if we do sell off very sharply, then that would be the support. But really we can go onto the shorter term time frames, being the 30-day and the 20-day chart, to get some closer support levels. And then this is able to provide us a support level at $3.25. Breaking through there would give us another support at $8.33 and also a $10 support. So this now provides us with some support levels if we continue down. The key one focusing on the $13.25, and if we do break lower the $10, really it'd be unlikely to break below $10 because it is such a key psychological level that if we broke down to this level, a lot of buying pressure would just come in. Now we can see we are also currently sitting on the statistical mean at around $14.75. This is the 30-day statistical mean. So do note this, because really if we break this, meaning we break below probably $14.50, come back to test it as resistance and fail, then more than likely we will fail down to that $13 support. Now, once we start to bounce, what are going to be key resistance levels? And as of right now, our closest resistance is at $17.75, with a break taking us through there to $32 and then $36.50. So obviously very far off from where we are now. So the key focus would be, if you were looking for a short-term swing, our target would be $17. If you were looking at a longer term play, 3, maybe 6 month plus, or an investment, then we could be looking off these further targets being the 32 and above. So it'd be $32, $36.50, breaking through there would be $45.50, $60 / kind of $62, and then breaking through there giving us final levels at $73, $89 and $116. Anyway, that is the breakdown on Beyond Meat. If you did enjoy the video, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.